Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope all my dear viewers are doing well. Today I am back with another video. In this video I am gonna share with you some beautiful and unique ideas about Christmas centerpieces. All the ideas are unique, beautiful and more adorable. So watch the video till end. Keep supporting me, keep liking my videos. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing and unique updates. Thank you. Stay blessed, stay happy. Have a nice day.